In today's video, let's move on to another powerful concept in programming: nesting. Nesting is a common and fundamental concept in all programming languages. So first, let's simply understand. What is nesting? A real-life example? Just like placing one steel box inside another, or folders inside folders on your computer. That's nesting. Now let's see how nesting appears in programming. Most popular programming languages support nesting, like C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, Go, Swift, and Kotlin. Nesting allows better organization of logic. It's especially useful in control flow, decisions, and repeating tasks. Let's understand with a fun analogy: a bird's nest in a tree. Each layer represents logic inside logic. That's nesting. Another example is your daily routine. Wake up. Check if it's a weekday. If yes, check if it's raining. Then decide, umbrella or sunglasses. Then go to the office. This is nested logic in real life. Too much nesting can make code hard to read. Try to keep nesting levels to 2 or 3 maximum. So yes, nesting is a universal and essential concept in programming. From loops and conditions to real-world logic, it's everywhere.